This video shows how to replace the DC capacitors and heatsink cooling fan on an ODE 3 IP20 frame size 4 as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage to the plastics and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the cover, use a nylon blade to push the 8 tabs inwards while lifting the cover away from the heatsink. Please note that the display ribbon cable needs to be disconnected before the cover can be fully removed. To remove the ribbon cable, lift it away from the power board. Using a Posi 2 screwdriver, remove the 2 EMC screws. The torque setting is 1 Nm. Use a Torx 25 screwdriver to remove the 4 DC capacitor screws. The torque setting is 3 Nm. Use a Torx 25 screwdriver to remove the 4 power module screws. The torque setting is 4 Nm. Using a terminal screwdriver, loosen the 2 fan terminal screws. Take note of the wire locations. The power board can be lifted away from the heatsink. Use a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the 8 DC capacitor screws and lift the DC capacitors away from the heatsink. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. To remove the fan box, press the 2 tabs inwards and pull the fan box out from the bottom of the heatsink. Replace the heatsink cooling fan and DC capacitors using the parts supplied in the Preventive maintenance kit. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.